Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is a Stanley number 80 scraper. I cleaned and polished and painted this one myself. And it's a very nice scraper, but I have multiple scrapers. I have one over there hanging on the wall right now that I use all the time, and I don't need the other two. So I'm going to be selling off the two that I don't need in individual auctions. This one has a very nice blade, sharpened on both sides, with the original Stanley Sweetheart insignia stamped into it. It's very nice for scraping large flat surfaces like tables and benches. It lets you use both hands, put your thumbs into it, and really push. So you can get quite a bit of scraping done without a whole lot of effort. Also, when you're using a hand blade, it gets hot and it'll actually burn your fingers. The handles on this one separate you from the heated surface of the scraper itself and lets you use it a lot longer without burning your fingers. I've had this one about 5 years, and it's going to be going along with the other thinning the herd project. If you're interested in a Stanley number 80 scraper, check out Barnsmith on eBay. I have this and several other items up for bid, and I'm hoping somebody out there ends up with this thing and uses it and likes it as much as I do. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.